Hi guys. So I was searching a way to record my voice from my mobile phone and to use it as a mic in my OBS setup. And I looked at YouTube and I didn't find some good resource. So here I am. So first of all, let me tell you what you need. You need two pieces of software. One is this screen copy, this one. Okay, uh, it is available on Fedora and every other Linux distribution. Another thing that you need is, I think, this spelling might be wrong. Yes, you need this piece of software. You need these two softwares which are very small and basic and available on all Linux distribution. Then you connect your Android phone via USB cable, enable USB debugging, and then you run this command, scrcpy command, screen copy. Sorry, you run this command as you want to use your mobile phone as a mic and you don't want any window, and run this. I'm already using the same method only. Then you use this command, pactl load module and module-null-sink. It create a sink to store all the voice of your screen copy, and you give this name as phone mic. After that, open this volume control. This is the same application with PAVU control, power control. Then here you have scrcpy and you have to redirect its what we say output to this phone mic audio sync. Once you did this here, just come to your OBS and add this audio output capture. Click here, press OK, and from default you have to select this, and after this you will be able to capture the voice and press OK. Now you see I have two mics, so let me remove this one. How do you remove this? Oh, we remove from here. Okay, so this is the same thing, and I selected this thing here, and now you can see I can use my Android mobile phone as a mic for OBS. Okay, bye.